Today I'm making air fryer cinnamon sugar twist. First I have some wonton wrappers on a cutting board. I'm going to cut the wonton wrappers into thirds. Next I have a bowl with 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Then I have a bowl with 2/3 of a cup of sugar. I'm going to add a teaspoon of cinnamon and mix that up until it's combined. Next I'm going to take a wonton wrapper and dip it in the melted butter, and then I'm going to dip it in the cinnamon sugar, and then I'm going to twist it. Then just repeat the process with the rest of the wonton wrappers. Then I added a liner into my air fryer, and I'm going to add the wonton wrappers into the air fryer and then bake this at 350 for 5 minutes. Once they were done, I added them to a bowl, and here's an up-close look.